Today on the Bronco build, ripping the carburetor off, we're rebuilding it. All right, let's get a good look at this carburetor before we take it off and rebuild it. This thing has needed rebuilt for quite some time. There's no good way to work on this thing. Oh yeah, look at you. WD-40 on it because I didn't want it to flash rust, so that's what the oily substance is, but that's about as clean as I care to get it. Block off the EGR port and she can go back on. So let's get that blocked off real quick. I'm just gonna build a little plate, thread it on. We got the carb rebuilt, the EGR valve deleted. Let's install it and fire it up. I'm actually quite excited to see how this thing does. This thing has had some carburetor issues for quite some time. Dude, that thing looks so much better now. Moment of truth, let's see what I screwed up. Leaking, so make sure nothing's leaking. It's looking good. Blemishes on the car.
Oh my gosh, just look at it.
So far. All right. See that? Oh, brother, this guy stinks! Leaking? No? Fixed it. That's wrapping it up for this video. The carburetor is fixed. Now, what we got to do next is, come here, Bill, and show them real quick. Look at that. The steering shaft U-joint. We're waiting for that to show up in the mail. And then as soon as that's fixed, we're going to do the radial arm bushings, but that's not going to prevent it from, you know, just driving around. But that was like two of the big things that we needed to get fixed was the distributor, rebuilding the carburetor. Now I got to get that U-joint fixed, and this thing is a completely different truck. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget, this is going to be the new tow rig for my Mustang.